dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Gunmen on Thursday in Benin City attacked the convoy of the Edo governorship candidate of APC, Senator Mondo Obolo, and the restated Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu, killing one of the security details. Moving on after this, we have amid the airport attack, the Edo state government blames Philip Shaibu. But guys, before I bring the matter, I would like welcome you to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest. This is your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. To all our viewers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. Gunmen on Thursday in Benin City attacked the convoy of the Edo state governorship candidate of APC, Senator Mondo Obolo, and the restated deputy governor, Mr. Philip Shaibu, killing one of the security details. The news agency of Nigeria gathered that the incident occurred on Airport Road when Mondo Obolo and several others arrived in the city from Abuja with a chartered flight. A police officer was said to have been shot dead while 3 others were injured. So it was not immediately known if Mondo Obolo was injured, but it was said that Mondo Obolo was hospitalized in an undisclosed hospital in Benin City. The Federal High Court in Abuja on Wednesday voided the impeachment of Philip Shaibu as the state deputy governor by the State House of Assembly. So the House of Assembly, however, in a statement said they had appealed the judgment. So on their arrival at the airport in Benin City, after the Federal High Court in Abuja voided the impeachment of Philip Shaibu as the state deputy governor, the gunmen in a vehicle at the exit gate of the airport were said to have opened fire on the convoy, which led to a reprisal by the armed security details attached to the APC candidate and Philip Shaibu. The incident forced shops and offices to be hurriedly shut down while majority of motorists abandoned their vehicles and ran for their safety. When contacted, SP Chidunwabuzo, the public relations officer of the police command in Edo, said the incident was being investigated. So it is premature for the police to confirm at this time until the investigation is concluded. Meanwhile, a check shows that security had been strengthened at the premises of the state deputy governor Godwin Omobayo, located at Osadebe Avenue near the airport in Benin City, to forestall any attack on him. While people, the victorious homecoming of court restated Edo State Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu turned bloody. Yesterday, Akono, a police inspector, was shot dead while some of his colleagues and passerby were injured by thugs. Onu was attached to Mondo Obolo, the governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress for the September 21st Edo State election. So all the injured were taken to undisclosed hospital in the state capital, Benin City. So we could not ascertain as of press time if Mondo Obolo, who was also admitted at another hospital, sustained an injury. Military personnel and other security operatives were deployed in the area and other parts of Benin and its environs to prevent reprisal. Edo Police Public Relations Officer Chidunwabuzo could not be reached for comment. My people, not be small matter. The reports that have been making round says that Philip Shaibu and Mondo Obolo arrived at the Benin airport at about 1:18 p.m. and they were all welcomed by their supporters who sang and danced in celebration of their Wednesday victory at the Federal High Court, Abuja. So the court restated Shaibu as the deputy governor. But when their convoys drove through the Duas Benin Airport Road, thugs in Toyota Sienna shot at them, leaving Onu dead. Mondo Obolo legislative head in charge of media and communication, Godswill Inegbe, said 3 riot policemen were seriously wounded. So Inegbe, who confirmed Mondo Obolo was admitted, alleged that thugs were led by an APC member who recently defected to another party. The motorcade of Senator Mondo Obolo, the APC governorship candidate in Edo State, was attacked by thugs. So my people, APC member in the state has condemned the incident and they have called for arrest and prosecution of those thugs and their leaders. Just barely few months to the election and all this are happening. My people, don't be small matter. APC said they are going to get to the root of this. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The Federal High Court in Abuja on Wednesday voided the impeachment of Philip Shaibu as the state deputy governor by the State House of Assembly. The House of Assembly, however, in a statement said they had appealed the judgment. So the victorious homecoming of the court restated Edo State's Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu, Tom Blood. Philip Shaibu and Mondo Oblo arrived at Benin Airport at 1:18 p.m. and they were all welcomed by their supporters who sang and danced in celebration of their Wednesday victory at the Federal High Court Abuja. So the court restated Shaibu as the Deputy Governor. But when their convoys drove through the back gate of the airport, thugs in a Toyota Sienna shot at them, leaving one policeman dead. But it wasn't immediately known if Mondo Obolo was injured, but it has been said that he was hospitalized in an undisclosed hospital in Benin City. So in a statement that was released on Thursday, the Edo State government alleged that they had observed the level of wanton destruction perpetrated by thugs working in connivance with the former deputy governor Philip Shaibu. Chris Nekari, the Commissioner for Communication and Orientation, alleged that Philip Shaibu-led thugs have unleashed mayhem on innocent citizens under the guise of enforcing the judgment restating him to office. So they want to reiterate that Philip Shaibu will face the consequences of violence that he has resorted to in pursuance of his aim to return to the government house, even when he is aware that a stay of execution of judgment has been filed. The commissioner enjoined the general public to be calm and go about their lawful businesses as government restore peace to the ancient city. However, effort to get the reaction of Philip Shaibu proved abortive. But a statement by Mr. Goswe Inegbe, an aide to Mondo Obolo, said his principal was attacked by the government. So during the unprovoked attack, 3 mobile policemen attached to the security detail of Senator Mondo Obolo were injured with bullet wounds, while one of the policemen has been feared dead. Right now, the state government, through their statement, they are warning Philip Shaibu to desist from this turn to violence in the pretense that he is enforcing a judgment. Philip Shaibu is being reminded that he is not above the law and he is liable for the wanton destruction perpetrated by him and his co-travelers. So Philip Shaibu's violent tendencies are well documented according to the state government, and they said he has been warned at different times by respected figures of society, including the Reverend Benin Monarch, to shun violence. So guys, at this point I would like to know what you think about this matter in our comment section below. I would like to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. We do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your awareness. Stay safe, guys.